I'm making a sweet potato pie. This is going to be an 11-inch deep dish pie. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I baked my sweet potatoes about a week ago, and I actually did quite a few, and I put them in 4-cup portions in a freezer bag to be used later. They're so much better than the canned ones. Please try it. It's so easy. You can bake them in the oven, or you can boil them whole with the skin on, and in water. Boil them, let them cool, and the skin just peels right off with your hands. It's so easy. So to make this pie today, I'm going to start by putting a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. So I'm going to spread this around. Now I completely baked this crust. I told you before, that's what I always do with my pies. And then I cover this with a silicone ring, and it does not brown anymore. And the bottom does not get soggy, ever. I know most bakers don't do this on a pie that's going into the oven, but I do. Now, I'm going to just mash this down a little bit. I'm just using a 1/3 measuring cup to do this. I'll mash it down. I'm going to use my husband's torch, his shop torch, to caramelize this. They make smaller ones that you can buy at kitchen stores and probably online, but this is what I have. Why not use it? So you're going to go all around on this brown sugar until it's caramelized. Now at this point, we're going to set this aside and let it cool. Next, I will work on the pie filling. First, the brown sugar and the white sugar together, my spices, melted butter, 3 eggs, a little vanilla, heavy cream, the second half of the sweet potatoes. I'm using my Vitamix blender. Of course, you can use what you have, food processor, regular blender, hand mixer, but the Vitamix really makes a smooth filling. All right, now the caramelized sugar is all cooled and it's hard. And it's another way to protect the crust, plus it gives another dimension of flavor to this pie. See how smooth this is? Oh my goodness, it's so smooth. Spread it around evenly. All right, this silicone ring, these things are worth every penny. You can buy them on Amazon, call it a silicone pie ring. This crust will not brown anymore. Into the oven at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. This is a deep dish 11-inch pie. There we go. You see? That's an hour and a half. That's how long it takes to make this wonderful pie. And we'll let it cool completely. You can see the crust looks great. It was protected. You can see that the pie is risen during baking, but as it cools, it will go flat and you will have a nice, flat, smooth surface. And then after it's cool, we'll put it in the refrigerator to really get cold. And there it is, a yummy old-fashioned sweet potato pie. Some people prefer it over pumpkin. Me, I like them both. This is a wonderful pie, and I hope you give it a try very soon. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, do us a favor and click the like button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. We hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.